Homemade ice cream. It's a farmer's market. Sweet Valley ice cream.
Farmer's market. I just wanted to let you know. I got you something.
Look here. Show you something. That's what's smelling so good. Yeah, smoker. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Are you a smoker?
Yes, sir.
All right. Smells good. What you got in there?
We got some ribs, pulled pork, and brisket.
Yeah, I mean in your furnace.
Yes, sir. Hot dogs.
Well, what you burning?
As far as the wood?
Yeah.
Cherry.
Oh, okay. That will be good. I'm gonna have to try some before I go home.
Oh, yes, sir. We'll have some.
All right.
I guess just get the combo. Get this.
Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate that.